Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zainal Abidin, and this video for assignment midterm test, tourism and hotel industry. And the first question is clarify the definition and scope of hospitality industry. The definition of hospitality industry is the supplier of the service for tourism, which means the hospitality industry offers service like accommodation, transportation, food and beverage, recreation and leisure. The scope of hospitality industry is first accommodation, food and beverage, travel and transportation, tourism, meeting and events, attraction, entertainment, and recreation. The next is number 2, mention classification and scope of hotel properties. Okay, classification of hotel refers to the process of categorizing hotels based on their level of service, facilities, amenities, and target market. Hotel can be classified in many different ways, such as by price, range, star rating, location, target market, and amenities. The scope of hotel properties refers to the different types of properties that fall under the umbrella of the hospitality industry. The most common types of hotel properties include luxury hotels, boutique hotels, budget hotels, resorts, motels, bed and breakfast, and service apartments. Luxury hotels are typically the most expensive and offer the highest level of service. Budget hotels are more affordable and offer basic amenities and service. Motels are usually located along highways and offer basic amenities and service for travelers. Number 3 is explain the relation among hospitality, tourism, and hotel industry. Tourism and hospitality help each other. Tourism is the activity by the tourists where they engage in traveling to a destination where they want to experience recreational and leisure activities, and most of the time affairs of accommodation, food and beverage. The hospitality industry is the supplier of the service for tourism, which means the hospitality industry offers services like accommodation, transportation, food and beverage, recreation and leisure. Tourism and hospitality help each other. Tourism is the activity by the tourists where they engage in traveling to a destination where they want to experience recreational and leisure activities, and most of the time affairs of accommodation, food and beverage. The hospitality industry is the supplier of the service for tourism, which means the hospitality industry offer service like accommodation, transportation, food and beverage, recreation and leisure. And the next, number 4, describe the various department in hotel industry and describe how the organization is likely differ in large and small hotel. Okay, the first is front office department. This department perform various functions like reservation, reception, registration, room assignment, and settlement of bills of a resident guest, and the front office department is considered as the nerve center of a hotel. Number 2 is housekeeping department. The housekeeping department is responsible for the cleanliness, maintenance, and aesthetic upkeep of rooms, public areas, back areas, and surrounding in a hotel, and for the immaculate care and upkeep of all guest room and public space at all times. Number 3, food and beverage service department. This department look after the service of food and drinks to guests. The food which the food which this department the food which is made in the kitchen and drink prepared in the bar to the customer guests. At the food and beverage premise, some example of the food and beverage outlets are restaurants, bar, hotel, airlines, cruise ship, trains, companies, schools, college, hospital, prisons, takeaway, and etc. Number 4 is kitchen or food production department. All the food and beverage that are served to the hotel guests is prepared in the food and beverage in the kitchen. Culinary preparation as an art and science in the modern kitchen required more than just a knowledge of food being prepared and the method of preparation. Number 5, engineering and maintenance department. The engineering department is responsible for repairing and maintaining the plant. The engineering department, the plant and machinery, water treatment and distribution, boilers and water heating, sewage and sewage treatment, external and common are lighting, fountains and water features, etc. Also, it looks after the maintenance of all the equipment, furniture, and fixtures installed in a hotel. Number 6, account and credit department. This department maintains all the financial transaction. Accounting department typically handle a variety of important tasks. Such tasks often include invoicing customers, account receivable, monitoring and collection, account reconciliation, payables, processing, consolidation of multiple entities under common ownership, budgeting, periodic financial reporting, as well as financial analysis. Security department. The security department of a hotel is responsible for the overall security of the hotel building, in-house guests, visitor days, as users and employers of the hotel, and also their belonging. Human resource department, sales and marketing department, purchase department, information technology or IT. And the next question is, describe the different sections in the housekeeping department and their responsibilities. The different sections in the housekeeping department and their responsibilities. Housekeeping management. This section oversees the entire housekeeping department operation, including scheduling and staffing, budgeting, procurement of supplies, and ensuring compliance with the standard and regulation, room cleaning and servicing. This section is responsible for cleaning and maintaining guest rooms, ensuring that they are well stocked with amenities, lamps, and towels. Public area cleaning. This section is responsible for maintaining the clean lines and order lines of common areas, such as lobbies, corridors, elevators, restaurants, and other public space. Laundry and lines. This section is responsible for the collection, cleaning, and distribution of lines, towels, and other textile used in the establishment. Pest control. This section is responsible for implementing measures to prevent and control pests such as insects, rodents, and other vermin that may pose health risks to occupants. Maintenance and engineering. This section is responsible for upkeep and repair of the establishment infrastructure such as electrical, plumbing system, FAC, HVAC systems, and other equipment. Overall, the housekeeping department play a critical role in ensuring that the establishment environment is clean, safe, and comfortable for guests or occupants. Each section has specific responsibilities that contribute to achieving this goal. I think that's all from me, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.